So many people do ask, if I learn cartoon creation, how do I make money from it? Now, here is multiple ways to make money from cartoon creation. Yes, cartoon creation niche is not saturated yet and people are making a lot of money with it, but they will not tell you. Now, here is multiple ways to do that. First, you can easily use cartoon videos to monetize all your social media because cartoon videos always go viral both on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and so many other social medias. And it is hard to have a copyright claim or copyright strike on cartoon creation if you do not post somebody's own cartoon. So as a cartoonist, other ways you can also make money is by selling characters. You can easily create characters for people. What do I mean? You can create background or even individual and give it to people. They will pay you any amount. And thirdly, another way you can also make money from cartoon creation is through Upworks, Fiverr, and so many of them. Or you can also create cartoon videos for families. There are some individual around the world that is looking for those that can create cartoon videos for them. Imagine when their son or their daughter they are a cartoon and you're able to bring it to life. This is you using stories they like to create cartoons for them and they will pay you for that. So don't say you can make money from cartoon creation. Then another question that people do ask is, do adults watch cartoon or is cartoon only for children? No, cartoon is not only for children. Cartoon is also for adults. 40% of adults do watch cartoons. You can even see the results in Google as well. And also remember that we have adult cartoons and children cartoons, so you are the one to prefer anyone you like. Okay, so if you want to learn cartoon, whether 2D animation or 3D animation, Rico animation, any of these things, you want to learn them, just say I am interested in comment section, or you click the link on our bio to reach out on WhatsApp where we will teach you, give you few guide on how to start creating amazing cartoons. Remember, this will also work for you even if you don't know how to draw. If you have a smartphone, it will work for you. If you have a laptop, it will still work for you. So anyone you have, just reach out on DM, then we will start immediately. If you still have any other question that is still confusing you about cartoon creation, just say your mind in comment section and I will answer you that question. But make sure you reach out on DM or WhatsApp. Please subscribe for more useful videos like this.